Power B2B. Introducing the Power Platform-based ERP solution called Power B2B, which makes your business more secure with cloud-based data storage secured with Microsoft Entra-based authentication. With Power B2B, your business is empowered with more efficiency and accuracy. The Power Automate, which is an integral part of Power Platform, ensures that your day-to-day business is automated without any manual intervention. The automation is further enhanced with artificial intelligence, as the Copilot is an integral part of the application. With optional Copilot agents, your business can be further enhanced by making the Copilot agent to perform your work and get you notified. With Power B2B, you can make informed decisions, as it has native integration with Power BI. Based on business requirements, multiple dashboards can be created. In addition to Power BI-based dashboard, any user can perform analysis of the data very easily, as you can create graphs for the data simply by using the Copilot visualization tools. Power B2B is providing the following key modules for any organization to do their business efficiently. These modules are fully integrated among each other, so that the business process is fully automated and avoids any possible errors. The procurement module starts with an interactive dashboard, which can be further analyzed by filtering, which is just a click away. The filtering is limitless, and user can analyze it according to her choice. For advanced filters, she can always use the advanced option available on the dashboard. The system is equipped with very advanced listing screen for every transaction. User can sort the records according to their requirements, and the data can also be filtered as needed. Another beauty of the Copilot engine is that you can filter the records as you like with natural English language-based requirements. And you have the facility to save your searches as a view, which is available for your future requirements. The Copilot Visualizer will help you with further analysis of your data by creating graphs. The data entry experience has been made very pleasant, as you may have to enter data only at the beginning of the process. Any master record can be either selected through an easy-to-use search feature or create from the very screen. The data entry panel ensures that you can create new data with ease. In a similar way, you can easily create child records too, without moving away from the main screen. The integrated workflow management ensures that your business process is managed consistently. The features of the procurement module are: create the inquiry and submit the inquiry to the supplier and track the status of inquiry. When the supplier is sending the quotation, record it against the inquiry and update the rates either manually or through AI-based automation. The business rules ensures that the quotation is sent for approval process if needed. You can create as many purchase orders for all the items in the quotation or for selected items. The system ensures that the terms like payment terms, other charges applicable are included in the purchase order. And as per agreed payment terms, you can record the advance amount paid too, which is tracked till invoice receipt and payments. When the supplier sends the goods, it can be recorded against the purchase order with options to record received quantity, accepted and rejected quantity. The invoices are recorded against the purchase order and updates the payment due date according to the payment terms agreed upon. The system keeps track of quotation expiry, delivery delays and payment due dates and notifies you or sends reminders to the supplier. The system is having multi-currency capability, and hence you can do your business in any currency you need. Similarly, the sales module is also a fully integrated system which provides features to handle your sales process seamlessly. Right from recording your sales inquiry to receiving the payment, the process flow is chained to each other, and you are informed about the status of each stage on a real-time basis. The AI-enabled automation will help you reduce the manual intervention, as recording sales orders can be automated in such a way that when the customer is sending an order through email, the system will automatically pick it up and record the order and notify you for approval to proceed further. The predictive model analyses the current stock of products, the pending purchase order receipts, and the committed sales orders, and prompts with the next possible delivery date for the orders before providing the acknowledgement. The system also verifies the stock availability, minimum stock levels, reorder levels, and provides you with the requirement for procurements. The Power Automate feature runs in the background and provides you with all the important alerts which will keep the business run smoothly. There are many more features readily available in Power B2B. In addition to that, the system can be customized according to your needs. Please feel free to contact us for a detailed demo, which will help us explain all the features of the product.